Imagine waking up in 2023 with the freedom to work on your own terms, to shape your financial future, and to explore new horizons of opportunity. Today, I'm here to tell you that this isn't just a daydream, it's a reality. Welcome back to Wealth Avenue, the place where your financial dreams take flight. Now that you're ready to unleash your financial potential, let's dive deeper into the diverse methods you can explore to make money online in 2023. Dropshipping is like having a magic portal to the world of e-commerce. It's a business model that allows you to set up your online store without worrying about inventory. You partner with suppliers who handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of the products. The moment a customer places an order, your supplier takes care of the rest. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's beginner-friendly. You don't need a massive initial investment or a warehouse to store products. The key to success in dropshipping is a combination of effective product selection, reliable suppliers, and savvy marketing. With the global shift towards online shopping, this method provides an excellent opportunity to tap into the growing e-commerce market. Imagine having an army of advocates promoting your product or service, and you pay them a commission only when they bring in sales. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You become an affiliate and promote products or services on your platform, whether it's a blog, website, social media channel, or YouTube. You earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a win-win for both parties. You, as an affiliate, get a commission for driving sales, while the company gains new customers. It's a performance-based model that relies on your ability to drive traffic and convert it into sales. The best part is you can collaborate with multiple brands simultaneously, creating a diversified income stream. If you have a passion, expertise, or a captivating personality, content creation is your avenue to make money online. This method encompasses a wide spectrum, including blogging, vlogging, podcasting, and creating engaging social media content. Content creators generate income through various channels, such as advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. The beauty of content creation is the ability to build a dedicated audience around your unique niche. Whether you're into beauty tutorials, travel vlogs, or financial advice, your audience looks up to you for inspiration and knowledge. As your influence grows, you can monetize through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and online courses. Content creation is not just a means of income, but also a way to share your passions with the world. If you're a skilled professional or have a talent to offer, freelancing provides a gateway to financial independence. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking specific services. From writing and graphic design to web development and digital marketing, there's a market for a wide range of skills. The beauty of freelancing is the freedom it provides. You can set your schedule, choose your clients, and determine your rates. As a freelancer, you become your boss, deciding which projects align with your passions and expertise. Freelancing is not just a source of income, but an opportunity to turn your skills into a thriving business. E-commerce is like having a storefront in the world's largest shopping mall without the need for a physical location. You can create your online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy, and sell physical or digital products to a global audience. The e-commerce realm offers unprecedented control over your brand and products, making it a valuable avenue for entrepreneurs. The beauty of e-commerce is its scalability. You can start small, selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital downloads. As you gain momentum, you can expand your product range and customer base. Building a strong online presence and implementing effective marketing strategies are the keys to success in this dynamic sector. Investing is your passport to wealth building. Whether you're interested in stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, the stock market and various investment options provide opportunities to grow your money. You can choose to be a long-term investor, a day trader, or a swing trader, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. The beauty of investing lies in its potential for long-term wealth accumulation. When you invest wisely and patiently, your money can work for you. Many successful investors started with small sums and gradually increased their investments as they gained experience. Proper education and a diversified portfolio are essential to mitigate risks and seize opportunities in the world of investing. Share your knowledge and expertise with a global audience through online courses, ebooks, or digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your website allow you to monetize your insights. What's remarkable about this method is its potential for passive income. Once you've created your courses and products, they can continue to generate income long after the initial work is completed. Online courses and digital products are a scalable way to reach a wide audience. As online education becomes increasingly popular, there's a growing demand for quality courses and content. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, this method enables you to make money while helping others acquire valuable expertise. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms are reshaping how we invest and fund projects. On peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and receive interest payments in return. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to support innovative product ideas or startups in exchange for rewards or equity. The beauty of these methods lies in their ability to diversify your investment portfolio. They not only offer potential financial returns, but also allow you to be part of innovative ideas and entrepreneurial journeys. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth or support budding entrepreneurs, these platforms provide exciting opportunities. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm. You can invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, or explore opportunities in blockchain-related ventures. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and smart contracts are captivating applications of blockchain technology. However, it's essential to be aware that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and speculative, so it carries higher risks. The beauty of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is their potential to be at the forefront of groundbreaking innovations. As blockchain continues to disrupt various industries, staying informed and making informed investment decisions can potentially lead to substantial financial gains. If you have expertise in a specific field, offering consulting or coaching services can be a rewarding online income source. You can provide one-on-one sessions, conduct group workshops, or host webinars to share your knowledge and help others achieve their goals. The beauty of consulting and coaching is that it leverages your expertise to assist others while generating income. Offering your services online enables you to reach a global clientele and build a reputation as a trusted advisor or mentor. In conclusion, the world of making money online in 2023 is filled with diverse and exciting opportunities. Each method has its unique advantages, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Success often comes through a combination of these methods, tailored to your skills, interests, and long-term financial goals. The online landscape is constantly evolving, so adaptability and staying informed are key to staying profitable in the ever-changing digital world. Explore what resonates with you, take calculated risks, and embark on your journey towards financial independence and growth. The possibilities are endless, and with the right strategy and mindset, you can turn your financial dreams into a thriving reality. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue our journey towards financial empowerment.